Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 very important tips when fly fishing for trout. So stick with me. This is kind of a fishing video slash tutorial, but there's some good things that happen and some things that you might want to know the next time you're out there fly fishing so you can catch a very large fish like I just caught. All right, let's get to fishing. There we go. Right here. Nice. There we go. Wow. Sculpzilla, probably one of my favorite streamers. Water's kind of off color from the snow melts. Man, I'm out of breath. I'm gonna kind of walk up to this bend and see if maybe there might be a fish that might be interested. Fishing my 3-weight. This is my FFD3, 2nd generation in the bootlegger colors, which is, I think, pretty freaking awesome. This rod has not caught a fish. Let's see if we can change that. There we go. Right here. I don't know if you're noticing or not, but I'm doing the upstream casts. Pretty effective. Of course, it feels weighty, but everything feels weighty on a 3-weight. Oop, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Can't see him. Looks like a nice cutthroat. Nice cut. Look at that guy. Wow. That is why I fish this streamer. Look at him. That is a beautiful fish. I mean, seriously, are you surprised, right, on the Sculpzilla? And I want to encourage you, right? Pick a fly. A lot of times for me, it's a streamer fly as my prospecting fly. I have a lot of confidence in the Sculpzilla. I know fish love to eat it. So whenever I'm walking up to a hole like I just did here, I pull out that particular streamer before I do anything else. I've got a nymph rig with me that has the turd and the worm, but I always kind of prospect the hole with a big streamer because you just never know. And you might get lucky too if you do the same thing and catch a really nice fish to start off the day. So there's your fly fishing pro tip of the trip. That side's fine. It doesn't really matter. Thank you, though. If you could just carry your boat, across the snow, that'd be great. Hey. Yeah, I've got a little west slope when I first got here. How about you guys? Nice. Just swinging a Sculpzilla. run indicator through there. See if maybe I want the turd and the worm. There we go. Nice. Looks like a good fish. On the worm. Not super shocked about that. That's a good fish. Yeah, nice. Nice rainbow. That guy. Very nice. Ooh. So now that I've completely broke myself off on the nymph setup, I'm gonna go back up to that original spot I caught that real nice cutthroat. A lot of times if you rest a hole, you know, half hour, 45 minutes, it's been about 45 minutes, you might get lucky and the hole will settle down and you can catch another good fish. So let's go up there and see if this Sculptzilla will do the trick, since I lost everything else and I don't feel like retying. There we go. Yes. Oh, he's swimming right at me. Oh man, that is a good fish. It worked. Wow. It's always a good sign when you got to chase the fish downstream. Wow. Wow. It's been a while since the trout has put me into my backing. Holy shit. I have to be careful. I don't have super heavy tippet. That's a solid fish. Yeesh. All right, I think he's tired. Oh yeah, what a football. Look at this guy. That is a solid fish. Yeah, I mean that, he's got some shoulders. Wow, that was a hell of a fight. Oh yeah. That worked. So there you go. There's another fly fishing tip of the trip is rest the hole that you caught a fish in, go back, and you never know. That could happen to you as well, because that was a very nice fish. You need a little help choosing some flies? Check out this video right here. All right, everybody, till the next time, fish on.